Hello and welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all are good. Guys, today I am going to show about this viral reel as you seen in the preview. If you want to try this 10, keep watching this video and let's start. Guys, first install the VN application to make this reel. VN app easily find on your Play Store, and when you will open this app, you will get interface like this. Guys, you need 9 photos to edit this 10. To import the photos, on here click on the plus icon and click the new project option and select the photos from your phone library. Okay, you have to take like this, you can see. Now guys, delete the end part of video and select the ratio of 9.16. Now guys, you will add the music on here. Music link given on my Telegram channel and Telegram link is given on the description. So guys, first open that link and download that reel video. After that, you have to extract the music from that given reel. So guys, to extract the music, click on the plus icon and click the music option. Now click the plus icon and have to click on the extract from video option. Now select that reel which you have downloaded from Telegram. Okay, in this way. Then guys, have to click on the OK option and click on the choose option and have to done from here. And in this way, music will be added. Now guys, we will edit the photos according to music. So first I trim the photos. After that, I will tell you the photos durations because I can't listen music to you due to copyright issues. Okay. Okay, you have seen guys how to trim the photos. Now note the photo duration. So guys, you have to keep the same duration of first and second photo, which is 0.14 second. Okay, now guys, third photo duration will be 1.92 second, and again we'll keep two photos duration 0.14 second. Okay, now guys, sixth photo duration is 1.69 second. Again, two photo duration will be 0.14 second. And guys, last photo duration is 1.53 second. Okay guys, you have to keep the durations like this and your video will be perfect. Now guys, your video is completed. You can save this video. To save this video, click on the export option from top right corner and have to done from here. Then guys, click on the save to album option and video will be saved. And in this way guys, you can make this video very easily. So how you like this video guys? If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe my channel if you want trending videos notifications. Okay, so see you in the next video with new topic. Till then, bye bye and take care.